Nagandang selecting fake. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola, layup. Napaganda pa, 2 points. 43-36. Lumulobo ang Kalamangan, 8 minutes 55 seconds. 2 points for Mark. 43-38. Lexing Fate 2, naganda. 5 points lead ang blue team. Number 16 to number 8. Wala. Nagandang rebounded the ball. May... We have 2 free throws for Nagandang. First throw. 1 point. Second and last throw. Jumpers ready. Please do watch out for our last game. ACM versus Al-Ain Brothers Championship game. 2 points for Nagandang.
Focus.
We have Bader to Mark. Mark to Tadeo. Tadeo sumalaksak. Pinasa kay Moiko. Nice defense by number 16 to Villacarlos. Villacarlos selecting fake. My foul. 2 free throws for Lexing Fate. First throw. In. Second and last throw. 2 points for Lexing Fate. 47-38, 9 points lead ang blue, 7 minutes 50 seconds time remaining. Bader, miscommunication.
Hello.
Lexing Fate to Villacarlos to number 8. Tadeo to Bader, sorry. Number 16 to Villacarlos to Lexing Fate. Now this time, Nagandang layup. Basket count and who's foul rep? Number 20. Bonus shot for Nagandang. Good for 1 point. Lumobo na ang Kalamangan. 52-38, 7 minutes 9 seconds. EB to Bader. Bader layup. 2 points.
Set tayo. Set. Lamang tayo.
12 points lead ang blue team.
Ten seconds to shoot.
Wala. Villacarlos wala din.
Huwag mo iwan.
Wala pa rin.
Okay.
Sorry, Villacarlos. Out. Lexing Fate, 2 points. 6 minutes 10 seconds. EB Jane. Basta nakuha ni Mark to Bader, 2 points. Layup. Yan, bumaba na. 10 points na lang ang lamang.
12 points.
12 points pa rin pala.
Yes time.
Nagandang 2 points. 56-42.
Wala, kanya-kanya eh.
Number 21.
Wala sundot.
Ralio. First team foul. Sabado to EBJ. Sorry. Rayos to Lexing Fate, 2 points. 58-42, 5 minutes 15 seconds time remaining. Tadeo for 3. Short.
Easy na.
Rayos.
Ikot mo bola. Lapit sa kanya, lapit.
Rayos to
10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds.
number 16 to number 15 Nagangdang. Oh, it's 2 points for Nagangdang. 4 minutes, 44 seconds na lang ang natitira sa ating third quarter. Bader, short, but Tadeo made it for 2 points.
Set tayo, set. Nice na tayo! Tawid. Easy lang, easy. Gamit ng oras, pre. Take time.
Next is Faith. Yes. Bader. Short. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola.
Diba?
Box!
No good for the second throw. Still by number 16. Number 16 to Nagangdang. Nagangdang to Lexing Faith. Lexing Faith. Dire-diretso. Layup. Oh, pinasa kay number 7. Wala pa rin. Bader rebounded the ball. Still by number 17. Number 17 to Lexing Faith.
Makulit sa depensa!
Nawalang bola. Nice job. 64-44. 20 points lead. Sabado layup. Wala.
Hawak!
Nagandang rebounded it. To Walter, number 17.
Gamit oras, last 5 seconds tayo.
To Nagandang.
10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds.
Nice! Baba!
Sabado to Mark. Short. May foul tayo. Shooting 3-on-3. And syempre pagkatapos we could have some party and fun at the Pitch Garden, and you have the few will be the championship edition. Abilino. No good. Abilino rebounded the ball. Idol.
Sabi magdala ng bola. May pang-cross bila.
To Nagangdang. Nagangdang layup. Wala pa rin. Number 30. Number 30 holding by number 8 and number 16. We have a
Gagawin ka naman, boy.
Abado. 2 points. Yeah. 64-47.
Why now? Why now coming?
Lexing Faith, 2 points. Tadeo, 2 points.
Sap!
3 points for number 9. 1 minute 25 seconds to go for third quarter.
Lapit!
Tadeo, 3 points for 1 minute 10 seconds na lang natitira sa ating third quarter. Abilino to number 8 for 3. Wala. Rebounded by Jess. Naitawid ang bola, pinasa kay EB Chain for 3. Sorry. Tadeo. Basket.
Exit face mo nga pala may kagad yung bola.
1 point for Tadeo. 69-55. Humahabol. Eto na, Abelina and nag-agawa ng bola. Number 16. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8, dire-diretso pinasa kay Number 3.
Tira, tira, tira.
Apelino for 3. Wala. Number 30, rebounded the ball to Tadeo. Tadeo. From Pitirang oras. Lexing Faith. Lexing Faith, sumalaksak. Layup. Wala. Number 30, rebounded the ball. And 1 point for number 30. 13 na lang. Throw for number 30.
Box out.
Wala. Lexing Faith. Foul. Number 9. Number 9. Oy. Malakas ang. Wala na oras. End of the third quarter. 69-56 in favor of Blue Team. Isa na. We have a foul. Who's fouled up? 1 point for Jess. Sabay mo, flat. Two points for Jess. 69-58. Ano yun?
Take time.
Naganda. No good. Rebound by number 30 to Mark. Mark. Dire-diretso. May foul. Basket count. Guma. Parang naamoy natin. 1 point pa yung bonus shot ni Mark. 8 na lang. Number 17, pinaganda. Okay.
Relax. Baba. Una sa depensa.
17. Pinasa niya kay number 16. Number 16 to number 17 again. 16 made it for 2. 71-61. 10. 8 minutes, 55 seconds. Lexing Faith. Steal the ball. My 1 point. 11 points ang Kalamangan. Two points. 12 ang Kalamangan.
Nice one.
2 points for Lexing Faith. Balik na naman tayo sa 14 points lead. Mark. Still by Lexing Faith. Number 16. Yan. Nice defense by Jess. Para nakuha rin number 17. Number 17 to Nagandang.
10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds.
To number 17. Number 17 to Nagandang. Layup. Wala. Number 16. Wala pa rin. We have a
10 seconds.
10 seconds, pre.
shot clock violation. Good. Napaganda pa ni Villa Carlos. 14. Sino?
Relax.
Lexing Faith. Wala.
Pwede yan, fourth quarter na tayo.
Both time out. Red team.
Bigay.
25, harassing by number 14 to number 17. Number 17 to Jojo. Wala, rebounded by Tadeo. Tadeo to Bater. 2 points. Mahaba-haba pang oras. 6 minutes, 42 seconds. Time remaining. Lexing Faith dribbling the ball. Pass to number 17, Walter, to Villa Carlos. Villa Carlos, sumalaksak layup. Wala. Yes, rebounded the ball. Still by Tadeo. Tadeo to Bader. Oh! Sayang. Number 17 to number 25. Number 25, naitawid ng bola. To number 16. Nice defense by Tadeo, back to Villa Carlos. Villa Carlos! Wala. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Layup! Wala pa rin. Rebounded by tawag si rep. Who's foul rep? Number... Lexi Faith 2 points.
Sona tayo, Sona. Right, tap again.
Mark. Mark to Tadeo. Tadeo.
Nice drop.
Yes.
Tres.
No good for 2. Nagandang rebounded all alone. Lexi Faith. 2 points.
Third time out ako.
Number 30 to Bader.
2 free throw 5.
One point for Bader. Second and last throw.
Back up!
2 points for Bader. 81-67.
5 minutes, 10 seconds. Time remaining. Seventeen to number 16.
10 seconds.
To Nagangdang, back to number 16. Right. Wala. Another penalty.
Kuha ng hangin, ha? Kuha ng hangin, take time.
Walter to Nagangdang. For 3. Mark to number 30. Josai back to Mark. Sa kanya talaga ang bola. Pinasa niya kay number 30. Number 30 sumalasat layup. Sayang. But Bader got the ball. Wala pa rin. Number 8 rebounded it. 2 Nagangdang. 2-in-1 situation. Nawala. Ramin. Parang naaamoy niya na.
Amoy pa, ha?
Tadeo for 3.
Set! Guard! Diyan ka lang.
Using time by number 17. Pass to number 25. Number 25 to Nagangdang. Short. Ito na. Ibigay ng red team. Pass to number 30. Josai layup. Wala. Bader. Wala pa rin. Number 15 Nagangdang rebounded the ball to number 70. Number 72. Lexing Faith. Malakas ang pagkapasa. EBJ.
Paul. Push Paul.
Ano yun?
Paul Bader.
For graduate. Wala pa rin. Second and last throw for Tadeo. 1 point for Tadeo. 84-70. We still have 3 minutes, 12 seconds. 14.
No.
14 points lead. Foul. Number... Penalty din tayo. Wala. Substitute. Tadeo. 2 points for Tadeo. There's still a chance para makahabol ang pula. Ito na, number 22 to number 16. Number 16 using time and looking for his mates kung sino kanya papasahan, pinasakay na ganda.
10 seconds.
Number 21 inbounding the ball. Sabado to Bader. Bader to number 5. Tadeo. There you go, Bader for 2 points. Ito na, humahabol ang pula. 2 minutes, 20 seconds time remaining. 87-74. Ralios to Nagandang. Nagandang to number 8. Number 8 to number 16. Harassing by Moiko.
10 seconds to shoot.
Eto na, number 8. Sorry. Sabado, rebounded the ball, but still by number 22. Using time ngayon. Pinasa niya kay Nagandang. Nagandang for 2 points. 89-74. There you go. 1 minute 51 seconds. Ralios. Rebounded Ralios to the ball. Nagang number 16, 2 points. Time out. Sabado to number 3. Number 3 to Tadeo. Tadeo! No good. May foul tayo. Who's foul left?
Last game.
Number...
Itong dalawa sa pagkatabi ko magulo eh.
Shoot, no? Pwede yan.
1 point for Sabado. 75-91. Ralios. Time remaining, last 1 minute.
10 seconds.
Lalo si Idol! Hindi ka pahinag sa kanila niyan!
45 seconds.
At! Manager, babasakay!
Number 3. Ito daw ang trophy nila. Didiretso sila sa Peach Garden.
Wala, wag na kayo mag-shota. Ikwentahin ko na to.
32 seconds to go. Sabado.
Manager, isa pa, manager!
Idol, sa idol naman, idol.
20 seconds. Apelino Idol. 2 points. 14.1.
Last game niya na yun, di ba? Last game.
10 seconds. Congratulations, the champion of the friendly division, blue team, undefeated. Thank you, red team. They are the first runner-up. We'll see you on Friday for the awarding. And again, kasama po sa Friday ang Family Fun Day. We have the all